Minister of Information, Coordinating Minister of the Economy, and my other brother ministers, the Permanent Secretary, Minister of Budget and Economic Planning. Today, the Federal Executive Council approved the budget proposals for 2025 with amendments which Mr. President directed following a presentation to the Federal Executive Council led by the Director General of the Budget Office, Tanimu Yakubu. The 2025 budget proposal articulates the federal government financial plan for the 2025 fiscal year and aligns it with the Renewed Hope agenda, the National Development Plan 2021 to 2025, and the earlier approved medium-term expenditure framework and fiscal strategy paper. It was designed to build on the advances in macroeconomic stability, security gains, infrastructure gains, human capital development effort, and creative industries, manufacturing, and all the measures that have been taken to expand economic activity, consumer credit, National Agricultural Development Fund, gas, CNG initiative, housing initiative, those all of them intended to build economic activity. And the successes noted in 2024, the successes achieved in 2024 were noted. The 2025 framework is based on a benchmark, oil price benchmark of $75 per barrel, oil production of 2.06 million barrels per day, exchange rate of 1,400 naira. All these are already included in the medium term of expenditure framework, which we have presented here, which have also been approved by the National Assembly. So the total projected revenue for 2025 stands at 34,820 billion, out of which the expenditure is projected at 47,960 billion, which is an increase of 36.8% from the 2024 estimate. The deficit for 2025 is projected at 13.13, representing 3.89% of GDP. If you recall, this administration inherited 6.1 from the 2023 budget, but given the success achieved in 2024, we still aiming to maintain deficit below the inherited threshold. The comments were taken from by the members of the Executive Council, and Mr. President directed some consequential adjustment while approving the figures. Thank you.